scary. Yellow in the center. The yolk is jiggly. Tastes better than my pork chop.
But it's actually burning my lips.
It tastes like mom's food.
So who is it that cries when they eat spicy food?
You use this to brush teeth?
Ah! Dum dum da dum. I'm gonna make you Mongolian flavored noodle stuff that I made the other day.
Oh, that tastes super good.
We're just gonna use the sausage to flavor it a little bit. Easiest meat that I had available. Okay.
I really like this sausage. We can eat it directly.
No, I don't think we want to do that.
Really?
I'm not going to.
Don't cut yourself like
Okay.
I did.
So I'm going to cut it up in little chunks. As far as I'm concerned, the noodles are not supposed to be about the meat. The meat are just the flavoring for the noodles, right? Stir fry the vegetables.
Look, we got new bowls for ingredients. We don't need the end.
I like the green stuff better than the ends. We're going to save it for the top. The rest of it, it's going to get mixed in for the stir fry.
You took off your ring?
Yes. Okay.
Don't cut yourself. Looks scary.
Maybe it's crazy, but this is the way I want to do it. And that's the great thing about cooking, is you can cook any kind of way you want, and nobody can really tell you you're wrong, because after they eat it, all the evidence is gone. And I don't know why, but tonight I just feel like cutting everything really small. Maybe because,
You're watching too many monks?
maybe I just want everything small because it's just fun to cut stuff like that. The stir fry will cook a little bit faster and a little bit better if it's tiny. They say you eat with your eyes first, right? That's what they say.
Oh.
So it has to look good, smell good, and then taste good. So I noticed that one of the comments on your channel was that somebody thought it was disgusting to leave the tomato seeds in.
Really? I didn't say that.
Well, I saw the comment. I thought that was a little bit of a strange comment because I've never heard of anybody cutting out tomato seeds. I don't know if this is going to work.
Don't cut yourself. I don't do that way. I just pop.
I know, but...
I saw mom doing that. Just use the knife. Pop.
Well, the problem is, baby, the problem is it's old. They're sitting here and they're starting to grow. So we're going to put a little salt into it. And we're going to mix it around. Look at that. There's the skin comes off.
We should get some garlic salt. Then the food will taste like garlic.
I want them to stay a little bit crunchy, so I don't want to have to cook them really long.
Ooh.
Essentially what we're doing here is we're just taking whatever I could find in the refrigerator and we're putting it into a stir fry. I don't know how this is going to taste, to be quite honest. I'm thinking I might have ruined it with the green beans.
I don't think so. It will taste good. We'll have purple in the dish. Fried rice. Oh, that's very pretty. The purple looks very good.
We're going to put this on top of noodles, right?
Yes. Oh, is that too much oil?
No, I don't think so.
It's hot enough now. It has water in it?
I washed them before we cooked, so it might have some water. You think it's going to pop on you?
Yes. Oh. It looks pretty.
Got a nice mix of colors, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's got orange, red, green, and purple. We don't have blue. Do we have blue vegetables?
I think they have, what, taro or something? They got blue colored
The
vegetables.
taro is purple.
Okay, well maybe I'm colorblind. Didn't your lotus root turn a little bit blue?
Gray.
A little salt,
Little pepper.
a little pepper, and we're going to put in some red flakes. If it's not so hot that it makes us choke, it ain't flavored, right? This is actually going to be pretty hot. Remember the last time we were cooking with the olive oil and you got the pan really, really hot and then all the olive oil like baked around the edge of the pan?
Yes.
Why? I suspect the pan was too hot for the olive oil. I suspect the olive oil was overcooked. Why don't you taste this and tell me if you think if it's still crunchy and cooked?
Too hot.
Well, you should have put the whole thing in your mouth, sweetie.
Very spicy. It tastes good. It's my type of food. I really, really like it.
Yeah, that does have a little bit of a spicy bite to it, doesn't it?
Yes, it is very spicy. I think we put too much red pepper flakes.
We got the noodles, and I like that the noodles come in these individually wrapped packages, so you know that's one serving. Okay, so I'm going to put those guys in. How long do those take? Those take 5 minutes?
Yes.
Okay, so those take 5 minutes, and while that's cooking...
You will fried eggs?
And the great thing about this is, there's no rules. We can put whatever we want.
Yes.
I got distracted and the heat was up too high and it started to cook too fast. Okay, we've got to get some better spatulas. These Walmart plastic things are not so great.
Yes, we can use wood.
Wood's not ideal.
We need to put water in it.
I want the yolk to be yellow on top because we want color, right?
Yes. It's yellow in the center. It takes a long time to boil the noodles. Maybe it's easier to use scissors?
It might be. We want them to be sort of like Mongolian flavored, right? I'm going to dump them in the pan.
Mongolian sauce. Wow, I really like this sauce.
And if anybody's wondering how much to use, I use however much I feel like.
Yes, that's correct. Wow, it smells really good. Oh.
There are 2 bowls of this stuff. And we didn't make more noodles. I wanted to put 3 servings of noodles in.
I think it's fine. It's already so late.
We've got the stir-fry mix.
All the stir fry?
No, I think some of this is going to be for breakfast tomorrow. One of us is going to get the egg.
I want the egg.
You want the egg. I think the way I'm going to do this is we're going to put a little bit of sauce on top so you can mix it in. Put the egg on top. Pepper flakes. Onion thingies.
The yolk is jiggly. The yolk is jiggly.
And a couple of peppers. And
Lemon.
because what did we discover?
The noodle tastes better with lemon.
The noodles taste actually really good with
Really
lemon.
good with lemon. I think this is a good way to eat lemon since we don't drink lemon juice. We can put the lemon in the noodle and it tastes super good. Extremely good. I don't want too much lemon juice.
Pepper flakes, but not too much. Some fresh onions, little tomato thingies, peppers, and maybe 1 or 2 of those little guys.
Oh, looks so good. We really need a lemon squeezer. It's over 10 o'clock now. We eat late tonight.
Oh, it smells good.
Yes.
Can you smell the lemon?
Yes. This is my type of food. I like to eat it every single day. Can we eat this tomorrow morning too?
Well, we've got enough leftover stir fry. I'm sure I can. Not bad.
It tastes super good.
And so the noodles have got a little bit of a lemon flavor, and they got that Mongolian flavor, and then the spiciness kicks in. It's almost like eating pad thai noodles, but it's a little bit spicier, a lot spicier actually.
Yes, yes. This tastes better than my pork chop.
And your pork chop? I don't know about that.
I think so.
I think the pork chops were pretty good. I think this one's actually a little bit too spicy.
Yes, it is very spicy, but it tastes good.
The green beans are crunchy. It's actually very hot. It's not wasabi hot because it's not burning my nose, but it's actually burning my lips.
I think because of this pepper.
The serrano.
It is hot. It tastes like mom's food.
Because it's super hot.
But it's super good.
Acceptable, sweetie.
It's very spicy.
Are you crying?
Yes.
So who is it that cries when they eat spicy food?
It's too spicy now, I can't talk.
You know what we'll have to eat to cool ourselves off?
Ice cream.
The leftover ice cream. The spoon's easier than the fork.
Even it's super spicy, I still want to eat more. Thank you so much. I really like the dinner, late night dinner. Ice cream.
Leftover
Ice cream. I want to have the Oreo cookie.
There's no more Oreo
But
cookies.
it has Oreo in it.
There's nothing left, but
But I can still eat the Kit Kat, cold Kit Kat. Why would you eat ice cream with fork?
because it's cold right now,
Oh,
and
okay.
the fork helps you stab it.
After spicy and eat ice cream, I don't feel like it's too sweet.
Okay, these strawberries are dangerous. They turn into,
Rock?
yeah.
Don't eat too much, it's late. It's already after 10:30.
Oh, I need some of this for,
You use this to brush teeth?
well, it's very, very minty.
You're really doing this? You're using ice cream brush teeth. We should put it back. Okay.
I'm surprised you've had this sitting in the freezer for 2 days.
Yes.
And normally if you put ice cream that you buy at the store in the refrigerator and you leave it there,
Yes?
it will dehydrate or get freezer burn or something, but this stuff's still,
Yeah, it still looks like ice cream. It looks so good. Oh, it's so sweet. That's bite.
I'm eating strawberries, that's healthy.
What are we doing tonight?
We can watch Monk.
I watched a few seasons of Monk. Okay, bye-bye, bye-bye. I need to remove my makeup. I'm going to bed.
I've
Yes.
noticed when I'm washing the dishes,
Yes, it's very oily.
yes.
Yeah, so it's very fattening ice cream. So we just had a few bites, so I think that's fine. It's got milk and the whipping cream. Bye. Bye.
Choo 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 choo. Luke, I'm your father. No.